problem of infertility in Northeast is increasing day by day, and the list of causes is quite long. The common causes we see in Northeast are stress, advanced age of females, male infertility factors like smoking, alcohol, hormonal causes like PCOS, and other medical problems too. At Janitva, we understand you and we are always here to help you to build a family.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma lambat Menteri Berikmi Ekatanat C&RD Uiti Mandal hak arpun rotri gujeliau arajar arpusan kilalet cek distrik Riboy ban ple patba ek artli ke office balate thamai na kebenta ke Bhoirymbong C&RD block bat ke Umling C&RD block hak jing ple patba ek Bhoirymbong C&RD block la buram ban ple patba dau ba kolbat chadap usipai blasong thaj ubladan kebenta ke bakrau hak jing kon ya kathma Hapenang India bat Pakistan hak senam syajar kendai sepaan rupusan bat syajar kendai sepaan nyepuwei. Hak balapenan buram ru dek jing ais ngobha balapen kamti do menteri rangba. Hak ni kesengi balaple ya kene ke building halum dat kla Bhoirymbong dan lang ubak daman bat lamare MLA Umroy constituency ubak Charles Marngar MLA Kamawati constituency u Dr Celestine Lengdo MLA Umsneng constituency u Deputy Commissioner ke District Riboy Abilash Baranwal lempat kiwe-kiwe ki kenrem kilendan. Ya ka Bhoirymbong C&RD block latih ke jimlut ke bakot kumbasau poin san klur tengka. Hak jaka ke badan kumbas syajar kendai sepak lai po square meter. Ya ke Umling C&RD block pat la play ya kena ke office bat ai buram yo ba Rani Maring uwei neki kaitor bapau ke District Riboy bat ubajusnaru ki tiar tem tiar put penrai. Ha kani ke project ke belas ateng na dok senam syajar kendai sepak prapo bala ban penur long ya ka bantai pendapura hadian sausan senam ha ke jinglut balamang kompasan klur tengka ke belate ke jaka ke badan komba arajar san po square meter. Lasa kilang agni kesngi da kejingi don lang ubak sostenis sotun MLA kejirang constituency ki officer bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakran agni kesngi menteri rangba ula pentip agni ngatong jong sarkar ke bertemu ban peniajan ki board district sikipat ba begini kejing syakri ke babiang. Haga batang hakini ginyo senam ki blalet nok sarkar jela kelamang arjar san spa klur ban penbit penbiang bat bantai penbhai kejing tai baper. Ulang ru bagini ki office jong ki C&RD block walabun kem paikman. Bagi ki office ki bekong sanbha ban pentelun ki kam syakri patba kam tam ki skim penroy jong ke sarkar. Da ke benrap ru bakanu-kanu kejingiat lenti kan sedang da ke ba sijam arjam. Nrela da sedang 6 poison usinuru. Menteri rangba ula penpau bak sarkar kelatau kilat da ke ple ya kilat da ke juk start science ke bamenta ban penkelai kerukom trekam bat ban pensuk ya kipat ba. Menteri rangba ulong baga distrik Riboy ke distrik ke badan bok ba ban saiki projek penroy ke bakam he hakipor ke bandangwan. Nakaliang menteri berikmi akatanat C&RD uiti mondal ule tro bagani katanat kala penlot ado sispa prapo klur tengka banchna ya ki building jong ki office jongki saupun riu teli ki blok akalang kejela nulor ki beki kam penroy ki ban penmentoy pat ba jong kejela baro kawai.
I also would like to share with you just one more thing before I conclude, is that Riboy district as a whole, we are seeing a large amount of transformation, as you're aware, that's taking place. Two very important infrastructure projects are coming up that is going to transform Riboy district like never before. And one of them is the airport expansion project. And I'm happy to inform all of you that it is very much on track. We have completed different aspects of land acquisition. We are in the final stages of giving the environmental clearances. Airport Authority of India has already floated the tender for the extension of the runway and further extension of the building and the terminal and other facilities will be followed soon. It will be a project of close to 500 crores. And once this airport expansion is done, we will be receiving aircrafts directly from all the metros. That means all airlines, the commercial airlines like Indigo, SpiceJet, Air India, and all the other commercial airlines will be now able to land directly in Shillong. And that means a lot. It means, number one, of course, that our people don't have to go all the way to Guwahati. It also means that the tourists and other passengers can come straight to Umroi, to Riboy, and then to Shillong. It means that our local economy, whether it is our taxi drivers, whether it's the different people involved in the transport, accommodation, all of these things will grow. And also the whole economy around the airport will grow, because there will be many establishments that will be coming up, many opportunity for many resorts to come up, and there will be a big boom for the tourism sector out here. The second big information which we all know is the express highway that's going to come up, the 25,000 crore plus project, which is the largest project that Meghalaya has ever seen, and it is the first expressway project in a hilly terrain that is being taken up by Government of India. It is really, you can say, a crown jewel project for us. And once that happens also, you will see a huge traffic that will be going through Meghalaya, and obviously we will become a major transit state, and that would mean that major economic activities will be taking place, and the benefit of that will go to the local people.